Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with LawDepot. LawDepot, an honest review. Watch this before you use it. LawDepot provides online legal document services, empowering you to create, customize, and download legal forms tailored to personal, business, or real estate needs. This versatile platform offers an extensive library of templates, covering everything from wills and powers of attorney to rental agreements, business contracts, and even divorce forms. This makes it a valuable tool for both individuals and small businesses. A key advantage of LawDepot is its user-friendly interface. Filling out the forms is straightforward, with a step-by-step guidance system ensuring you provide all necessary information. Furthermore, you can save, edit, and download your completed documents in various formats, including PDF and Word. This is especially beneficial for those seeking professionally drafted documents for simpler legal tasks without the expense of hiring a lawyer. While LawDepot covers a wide range of legal needs, it's important to understand that it's not a replacement for professional legal counsel, particularly in complex situations. For intricate matters like estate planning or legal disputes, consulting a lawyer is still crucial. LawDepot's pricing structure is based on a subscription model, although a free trial is available. This subscription might not be the most cost-effective solution if you only require a couple of documents. One-time purchases are also an option, but these can accumulate quickly. The platform is ideally suited for users with recurring legal needs, like landlords or small business owners, as opposed to individuals requiring a single document. LawDepot does offer commendable customer support, but resolving more complex issues might require some patience. In conclusion, if you need straightforward legal documents quickly and affordably, LawDepot presents a compelling option. However, carefully consider the subscription costs if you anticipate only occasional use.